Yes, this year we will open and treat your swimming pool. We recommend utilizing our pool cleaning services within a week of opening.
A pool opening includes reinstalling plugs in one pump, one filter, and heating equipment. We remove the winter plugs and skimmer protectors. We then connect the automatic pool cleaner. We start and check overall equipment. And then we apply a balancing and opening chemicals, which are priced separately. We do have available options of pool cover removal, pool cleaning, and salt cell chemical cleaning for saltwater pools.
The best time is end of March, early April. When the temperatures rise, you have a better chance of algae growing. The longer your pool cover is on, the more chance of it being green and having an algae bloom when you open it later in the spring. It's impossible to determine how much chemicals you will need to be added to your pool. Our technicians will take a water sample on site and call the results in to our trained staff. The ALEC system accurately assesses which chemicals are needed to make your pool in balance again.